But 13th, today is a little bit different in terms of normal trading day. The reason is that the whole market was almost choppy, moving sideways until afternoon. Fed announced the interest rate related news. They are pausing, not only pausing the rate hikes, also reversing the plan to reverse three-step decrease next year. The news came about 1 p.m. I was wondering how you guys traded today in terms of what was the strategy, in terms of how did you guys plan it. Everyone knew about the news is coming out on afternoon. It could go either direction, but whatever the way you traded, the challenge is when the market moves that really fast, like it did. I'm looking at ES today, December 30th, the chart. This is 5-minute chart for ES futures market. I'm on Central Time Zone. You can see here market opened for me 8:30 Central, almost from 8:30 to 1. Market is really choppy in terms of no directionless. Once the news was released, you can see market jumped from 46.49 to almost like a one bar, just one bar, 49 to 71. I don't know how many of you able to capture, not capture, was able to make a perfect trade entry here and then able to write the whole movement happened after the news. If you have a great strategy, let us know. But I want to share something that we have a great success in terms of the product that we released. Not only for a chopping day, trending day, we showed a lot of choppiness examples how our product works on a choppy day. Today is the best example to show on a market moves, that too on a spike, sudden spike. Most of the traders struggle to capture the immediately as soon as we had the absolute trade entry opportunity. That's why I want to show you today. So this is ES, market jumped and then there was a huge pullback. It was very hard to trade in this. That's a fast moving market because it could the swings is huge swings. It can get you stop out unless you know how to enter precisely. Okay, let's look at the NQ market. NQ market had the same kind of momentum. It was choppy until like one jumped, pulled back, and still it had run. Okay, I'm going to show you the same day, little bit different charts. Our supply and demand in terms of zone trade, trading entry strategy, the price action chart. Let's look at the same market. We looked at the ES here. This is a typical 5-minute chart. Always struggle to take a perfect entry, that too when you have huge spikes in one bar. Once it's entered, you're hesitant to enter because what if it pull back, all the things comes in mind. But if you look at our our trading setup, we use BSG Pro Bars, price action based chart. It removes the times away, looks at the market only by the price movements, price action. Anytime you see in the trading strategy, the golden triangle is our trading signal. Golden triangle, up triangle is a long signal, down triangle is a short signal. These red and green arrows are just to show you where the market is, market range. It shows you the market range. These green and red triangles are not trading signals, only the golden yellows. You can tell almost from 8:30. If you look at the time here, as I move, 8:30 almost until like 1. This is what only we had hands full of 20 or 30 bars. Why? Price didn't move much. It was having a range bound. Our indicator was able to find out the top edge and bottom edge, was able to see, waiting for the perfect breakout with the confirmation. That's why you can see the indicator was able to trap the perfect range waiting for the breakout. Moment it found the absolute breakout with the order flow confirmation, it was able to print the signal to take the full ride. At the same time, when the market reversed, still it didn't show you the short signal because still there is a momentum upside. It did show you second signal right around 2 to 30. Still the market went up. Let's look at the NQ. NQ did not go in a straight line. Remember that. This is NQ we saw in a 5-minute chart. Let's look at the same market on on our chart. We have same setup, BSG Pro Bars chart. The only difference here is our Pro Bars we have 40 and 5. Okay, 40 and 5, whereas the ES we have 15 and 2. But one thing I wanted to look at, when the market opens 8:30, it was able to grasp the perfect trading opportunities. Look at that. Market did not move in a straight line. But we always say one thing. Market always move, consolidate, move, and consolidate and move. You can tell market was consolidating. Once it breaks out, it was able to print a long signal. It was retested twice. It did not break through. That's why we always say, when you see a golden triangle, up triangle, you can take the long trade. Always your stop loss few ticks below the base of the zone, based on the this rectangle. Why? That could be a pullback, but the algorithm will be able to detect what is a perfect stop loss, which is the base. We add a couple of ticks. As long as you have the stop loss here, you won't get stopped out. Okay, here it didn't have the pullback, but it's a great signal. Why? Market moves back and forth, consolidation. Once it breaks out, look at what happened right there. Okay, so this is exactly when the news came out. Even when the news came out, almost like it was actually, the news came out here this 1 o'clock. I'm sorry, 1 o'clock right here. It was able to find the signal, moved up, consolidation again, breakout signal here, another kind of consolidation. Once it's able to see the market reverse, you can see the down triangles denoting the short rates. Okay, yes, Rob, you are showing me the great when the market is moving, but anybody can trade when the market moving. But choppiness, show me some good signals from choppiness day. Guess what? We had ECL crude today. This is crude today on 5-minute chart. This is not a moving market. This is like such a choppy day. How would our signal setup? How would our setup with signals worked? Do you want to see? Let's look at it. Where is it? Right here. In terms of the market, the indicator was able to find out, the whole setup was able to find out the whole market range. You can tell the bottom, the top boundaries, it was able to adjust for every false breakouts, able to adjust. It was able to find the signal, first signal, second signal, third signal not went far, but it went there. But look at these signals. It was able to retest once, twice, but if you had a stop loss here, you won't get stopped out. But even if you take the signal here, look at how many times it retested. 1, 2, 3. It did not break down. If you had a stop loss below, it did not. You would have not got stopped out. Okay, that's the main power of this trade setup, price action chart with supply and demand is not new. People have been trading for like so many years. That's why we have been teaching the supply and demand based trading. But people does not know how to see, how to find the perfect opportunity. That's why instead of training the traders for months and months, still some traders can't get the idea of supply and demand. We put all the strategies, rules that we teach the traders into a software as a trading signal. That's what you see here. Anytime you see the golden triangle up or down here, short trade is a trading signal. These red and greens are just to show you the market range. Okay, hope you are able to grasp the power of BSG zone entry signals and the supply and demand trading strategy, not only for the great trade entries, also most important part, the stop loss, suggested stop loss. It's such a powerful way to use our setup, because you can tell if you have the stop loss below, suggested a couple of ticks below the zone, look at how many times you retested, you could not pass it through. I can show you in terms of same thing in ES did not retest at all, but let's look at NQ. Even NQ in terms of signal here, retested, signal here, retested, but it did not cross. Look at it close, look at close. In terms of, it did not cross the bottom boundary and then had a move, okay? Here, in the signal, retested, had a move. Signals, retested. I think that's why in terms of not only the setup is going to give you the great trading signals, it's also going to give you the best. I would not say the 100% everything, but this is the best you can get in terms of suggested stop loss. One thing I can tell you, I could even challenge you to find some other product who are offering trading signals as good as what we have built after the research of almost year long with our team. Yes, it produces two amazing trades. You can tell how much you could have got from those two trades. The chart looks small. The reason is that you can see from 8:30 to 9:30 it shows only 8 bars, like not 8 bars, like 20 bars. But if you look at the same 5-minute chart on a, where is it, here, right here, it was, time factor is choppiness, but price action let you hide all the time factor, show you only price movements, breakout, support, and then the real opportunities with a lot of order confirmation. I really can't pick a better day to show you the power of our trade setup other than today, because we had crude choppiness whole day. It performed absolutely brilliant right here. And then we had ES and NQ. ES had a tremendous run, one way, spiked up, but it was able to cap the perfect entries. NQ, it had both movement, pass, movement, pass, movement, pass. Even in that case, you can tell, where is it? Right here. Even it has able to find the absolute best trading signals. If you have any questions, please let us know. But for the holidays, we wanted to give you we want to give you a best holiday present to you guys, in terms of, usually we don't offer our product for trial. We always require complete purchase, but with the level of confidence, level of feedback we got from the customers in last 2 weeks alone after the launch, so we have so much confidence in terms of, we want you to have the product with the less friction. What do I mean by that? If you can go to buysideglobal.com/launchpad, again buysideglobal.com/launchpad, you would see the landing page. Right now you can get the access for all the products right here. Zone entry signals, the signals we talked about. Signals also have the supply and demand zones included inside the indicator. We're going to have additional levels indicator to help you with trade management and exit strategies. Why? This indicator is going to give you only trade entry signals and then the stop loss, but you need an exit strategy when you can close your trade. That's what basic levels are for. Of course, we said we don't want to use minute chart or tick chart in a range chart. We developed custom price action chart, look at purely based on price action. That's why I showed you the indicator on a price chart. We're going to get all the software. Also, we're going to give you the access to our Discord trading community with the 2000, almost 2400 per year value. But the holidays gift I'm talking about, you can get all that for 7-day access for just for $7. Okay, just for $7 you can get access for all the products. You can try it out, you can open the chart after our initial instructions, look back multiple days, trade in same what are the instrument you want, so that you can feel comfortable in the 7 days. Once the 7 days passed, you will be automatically enrolled into monthly subscription, 129 per month subscription. But the main reason, a lot of customers had a skepticism, right? I think we see so many social media media out there. There's a lot of signals, a lot of product in the market. They tried so many products. The frustration for them, they spent money again and again and again it never worked for them. They almost give up because nothing works. I think even when we release a product, thankful for a lot of our loyal, long customer base. They whoever bought the product. When we launched it a couple of weeks ago, we had a great response. With that conference, what we got from the customers, we wanted to give you the holiday gift. You're going to buy it for $7, but in that case, I should say the best gift you could buy for yourself for the holiday is to get the 7-day trial access for just $7. It'll automatically enroll into a monthly subscription after 7 days. But during the 7 days, you'll be able to see the real power of the every single signal for any instrument, for any market, choppiness or trending, or like you can check almost every single day. Because I don't want to say it works only on a trending day, it only works on a moving market, it's anything like that. No, this product works on any instrument, and then any day you will be able to see the power. That's why we want you to take the advantage of the promotion right now. $7 for 7-day access to see, check yourself, trade in sim, check all the backdated data. Go to buysideglobal.com/launchpad. Join us. If you have any question, please reach us out at info@buysideglobal.com. You guys have a great day.